Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in the previous video we learned a little thing about what 5 billion sales is, and we look at brief introduction to it. Then we also look at how to create an account or get an account, and I told you my referral link is in the description of the video, that you should do well to sign up. But if you've not watched that video, do well to watch that video. I'll leave a link to that particular video in the description of this video and also in the card above. So if you have not watched that video, I will advise you to go back and watch that video first, the introduction video first, and then come back and watch this particular video. As I said at the ending part of the previous video, I told you that today I'll be taking you through how you can activate your referral link and also start referring others. Okay, start earning. All right, so here before we get into today's video, if this is your first time here on Mindset Hustle, do well to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified anytime we release a new video. Okay, and also don't forget to like, share, and leave us a comment in the comment section below. Without much ado, let's get back into the video. All right, so this was the page on which we were in the previous video. So now for us to go back and then activate our referral link, you need to come to where your username is. Here on phone you will see 3 bars. Okay, 1 2 3 bars. Okay, I think I'll have to record separate video for this particular session for those using phone. Okay, and then you come down to where they say select money maker. You click on that. All right, now once you do that, you will see that over here now they'll say selling data. It means you've completed this process, the first process here. So that one will be tick like this. Okay, now we want this option 3, refer and end. Okay, you click on join for free or join free. Now when you click on join free, you see your sponsor, who sponsored you. So this is the person that sponsored me. So you see my name like this, sponsored by, then you see my username. Okay, and this is my current affiliate level. Okay, at the mega star. All right, now once you come to this area, you can choose to read the few things that is here. Okay, here is you can see the stats. Okay, your affiliate link, the number of clicks you've gotten, the commission. Okay, so for instance, if I click this, excuse me, you can see total clicks 52, total join. Out of the 52, the number of people that join is what, 30. Okay, so 52 people click the link but only 30 sign up. All right, now you can click here commission. So if I click on my commission, it will bring me down here. Okay, to bring me down here where they'll give me all these details. Then after that you can see nobody has bought. I told you the guarantee sale. Nobody has bought any advert using my link, so I don't have any credit or earning for that. Now if you come down here, you can see my sell data. 26 people sign up. I've been credited $800. So this $800, it means those number of people, okay, that is about 8 people has not yet validated. So after watching this video, those people after watching the first video, once they validate, you see that this 800 will convert from credited to earn, commission earn. Okay, so now out of the 26, only 18 people have commission have been earned because they have validated. So that is the reason why I have the $1,800 here. Okay, so you can see the commission due is what, 1,800. Now everything you earn is supposed to be paid in what, in 1 year time. Okay, so let's say if you earn it this month, next year this month you will pay the commission. So all this amount I've earned here, next year same month I'll be paid. But then if I have guarantee sign up, there is something we call 10 times faster. I'll make another video. This particular website have a lot of information, so I'll be making videos on it as I get time. I'll be making videos on different sessions of it, explaining a lot of things. I'll also be writing articles on it on my blog, mindsethustle.com. Mindset, okay, the mindset, there is S at the end, hustle.com. Okay, I'll leave the link to the website in the description of the video. You can go there. I have a lot of articles there you can read for yourself. All right, so here you can see all those that I've earned from. You can see they say N, and you can see the amount that I've earned from those people. You can see the name of your referrals, okay, and the date they all hot signed up and validated. Okay, all right, so that is option 3. Let's go back. So here you can come here to my link start, then click get my affiliate link, or you can just click here where they say sponsor now. So let's click here sponsor now, and this is my affiliate link. So you too, your affiliate link will be here with your username at the end. So you just click on hot copy. All right, then you give it to whoever you want to him or her to sign up. So this is the link I've left in the description of this video. If you have not yet signed up, you can use the link to sign up and become part of this wonderful opportunity. Mind you, you are not doing you are not putting any money into this. It's free money. There's nothing like scam here. Even if they don't pay you, you didn't put any money in it. All right, guys, opportunity is opportunity. You need to take opportunity as they come. All right, but if you want to have the scam mentality, you will always be at the losing end. As I said, if you always read my description, I always put disclaimer there. Everything I give, every information I give on this channel is for what? It's for educational purposes and my own point of view. All right, they are not financial advice. Always make sure you contact a legal financial advisor to give you an advice before you take any action if you are not ready to risk by yourself. Mind you, I am a risk taker, so I take any risk at all that come my way because I don't know which opportunity will pay me. I don't want to do had I know, so I always take risk. If you are not a risk taker like me, if I put an opportunity here on my channel that has to do with you investing your money, please think twice before you invest. Please take note. All right, so this is how you get your referral link. Okay, and as I said, let's go back. If you want to see the people you have referred, you just come to what they say commission. You click there, you see it. Now override means that the people you have referred have also referred others. Okay, so those people that they have also referred, the earning you get from them is called the override. So you can click here to check your override balance. Okay, you scroll down, they have some information here, you can read it. The 10 times faster that I was talking about is this. I'll in the subsequent video I'll talk about it and how you can activate it so that you can be paid faster than the 12-month interval. So here with override, have this is the number of overrides I've earned, 82, and that 82 override is summing up to what, $410, and I still have $495 more dollars of override credited. That means those people have not yet validated. So guys, if you are watching this video and you have referred somebody and they have not validated yet, give them the first video, okay, first video that you watch, because already they have registered with your link, so there is no need for them registering with my link. They should just follow the guidance and then validate their account as well. All right, guys. Okay, so in the next video I will show you how you can set up your payment details. Okay, that will be the next thing we will look at, how to set up your payment details. Okay, now if you want to go to the I think I have to yes, I'll do it along with how you validate daily. So I'll show you that day. I'll not validate before I'll do the video, so that when I'm validating, I'll record it, as well as how you can hold, you can set up your payment details. I have set up my payment details using crypto. You can set it up using bank, crypto, or whatsoever you method you want. I prefer crypto. I love crypto. Okay. All right. So once you are done, you can just come here and you sign out of your account, or you can uh come to my status and check, okay, if you are active, and if the number of people you refer, how many of them are active, how many of them are inactive. All right. Okay, so that is it from me. I'll see you in the next video.